You see, something's going to happen.
What?
Something wonderful.
What's going to happen? Wow, 6,000 subscribers. Incredibly humbling. I'm so flattered that 6,000 people have decided they like what I do and they want to see what I do next. That's knocked me for a six. Tell you what else has knocked me for a six. Since I started this YouTube channel, I've had close on 700,000 views of the videos that I actually have made. I couldn't believe it. That many videos have been watched on my channel. It's very humbling. And for all those people who watch those videos, whether they be subscribers or non-subscribers, I thank you from the bottom of my heart.